Hello, good morning, everyone. This is John David once again. Everything we're going to be learning on this my YouTube channel is going to be based on what I have studied over the years from my mentor, Stacy Bog. If you want some more content, you can go to Stacy Bog's channel to see all his saying, pure gold. Now, I'll tell you this. This is just going to be a little technical video. I just want to show yet again a trade setup that happened this past week. So I'll tell you this. The market will only do three things. It will break out, it will fail, it will break out, continuing direction of breakout, or stays within a trading range. You have to really understand the behavior of the market in line with the market makers, should I call it, trap zone. So see what happened. If you look to your left, you're looking at GBP CAD. If you look to your left, you see that price actually gave an anchor point and started going high in one push, two pushes, three pushes to the high, locked the high, and then after price locked the high, it broke out. Remember, I told you three things markets do. It will either break out and fail, or break out like this place. Let me show you. Break out, pull back, and continue in the direction of the breakout. Those are the three things market do, or stays within a range. Break out and stays within the range until it broke out again and then failed. You got it. So now price is trading back to where the pump started was a red day. Now let's go on. We are looking at this past week. So how did Monday trade? Monday traded and triggered Friday's high. Day one, Tuesday, day two. Went high, triggered Monday's high, and then closed back inside as what? Failed breakout. Let's go on. On Wednesday, it went and it took the high of Tuesday, but it still closed back inside. We have Wednesday being our higher close. But look at this. From Tuesday's level, there wasn't a breakout. Price got there the first time on Tuesday. On Wednesday, took it out but failed. Then on Thursday, came back to mitigate that level. Steve Marrow, if price reacts in a level three times without taking it out, reversal is inevitable. And when price got there, it failed. Remember, on Wednesday, for the week, we have the highest close being on Wednesday. How did price behave coming into our section? We have 1, 2, 3. I only trade most of the time trade the New York section. So let's see how price behave into our section. So see what happened. Price started working that level. It came back down. It came back to that level. You might say, what is the signal? Remember, I just told you Wednesday was highest closing price of the week. Aside being the highest closing price of the week, today, which is Thursday, traded back to the level from on Tuesday, wasn't able to take it out. So we have 1, 2, 3 pushes to the high. And on the day of trading itself on Thursday, we have price moving high in 1 push, 2 pushes, and 3 pushes back to the high around what time? 9 o'clock. Now let's look at the 8 o'clock bar, the bar before 9 o'clock. See what happened. Price gave us the same similar kind of behavior with what happened in day chart. We have price coming in 1 push, 2 pushes, 3 pushes. At this level, is there any other thing to do? No, I wanted to see if it played out rightly to give me a tighter stop. That is why I'm looking at it from the 1 minute chart. So now we see that price it comes to which level, the level at which we have coming from the 1 hour chart from higher time frame. And when price got to that level, it's reacted, giving us lower low, and then went back to that level and then gave us at that level pin engulfment. What I am showing you is scalable size. This is what Stacy calls. This is what Stacy calls ACB. It ends coming back. But from the higher time frame, the daily looking for all we did after down to find reasonable entry. That is all about that I want to share. This is scalable because it is repeatable. It will happen again, again, and again. Great then. Also, you go to another pair like GBP USD. Similar kind of trade setup happened. Let me show you from day charts. See what happened on Wednesday. Let's look at it quickly. On Wednesday, we have price closing. I've seen before. Let's go back to it. On Wednesday, we see that price gave us the highest close of the week on another clue. Wednesday closed in breakouts. These are the things that you should look for that is strong enough to compound your account significantly. Learn to trade what is easy. Well, that should be that for now. I'm having a series coming up this week where I'll be taking traders that are struggling to see this concept and how to apply it in real time. I want to show what Stacy, I've learned from Stacy Book over the years and help and guide as many I could to really see how easy, simple this can be. 1 or 2 trade setup is enough. You don't have to be stressing yourself. Look for the best. Take only the best. Trade the best. You'll find out that there is nothing to this. But the only problem is that we all just go gambling because we can't wait for a perfect trade setup. If you can wait, you can tell time according to my mentor. If you can tell time and count to 3, you will make a whole lot of money. But the point is this: market makers knows that retail traders are impatient. They want to trade every day. So therefore, they're going to keep on messing them up. So all you need to do is to get out of this noise and learn to set up templates, weekly templates. How is price behaving into your timing window? This trade is similar to the one we just showed on GBP-CAD. It shouldn't be that difficult to figure out. The only complex is you. You are the only variable. Can you stop standing in your own way? So great then, if you really want to master the concept and want to see how this is really done, then you can reach out. I'm going to be sending my Discord group. You can reach me anytime from the Discord. And if you feel you want to master this concept, Awesome. From there, you can reach out and we can know how to schedule your time and work with you. Great. Then we've had a swell time. Like I said, a short technical. May the market go with you. Once again, happy new month. Bye for now.